Welcome to Living in Dumaguete. Once again, this is your trusted real estate agent here in Dumaguete City, Alma Almonte Fulco. So my peeps, I have a very great news just for you. I wanted to let you know that today is our first monthly of our YouTube channel! So my peeps, without you, we couldn't make it. So daghang salamat sa inyong support. So, of course, my peeps, please stay tuned because we are preparing more future exciting adventure just for you. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our YouTube channel so you are updated with our future vlogs. Thank you so much, and I love you.